Query successful. Try again without apps. Struggling to keep tabs on your bank account activity? Ever wish you could get an instant heads up about a large purchase or a low balance? You can, and in today's video, we're going to walk you through exactly how to set up alerts in Regions Bank so you can stay in control of your money, right from your phone or computer. Account alerts are your personal financial watchdog. They're quick notifications about things like a large withdrawal, a deposit, or when your balance dips below a certain point. Essentially, they help you spot unauthorized activity quickly and avoid unexpected fees. Regions Bank makes it super easy to customize these, so let's jump into the step-by-step process, focusing on the mobile app, which is what most people use every day. Setting up Regions Bank alerts on the mobile app. First, you'll need to log into your Regions mobile app. Once you're in, look for your profile and settings icon, usually found in the upper corner of the screen. Next, tap on Alerts. This is your hub for all things notification related. Here, you'll see a list of available alerts. They fall into a few categories. Balance alerts, these are crucial. You can set up an alert for a daily balance update or, even better, a balance threshold alert. That one sends a notification if your available balance falls below an amount you set, maybe $100, for example. This is a game changer for avoiding overdrafts. Transaction alerts, this is where you track your money moving. You can get alerts for credits and deposits and withdrawals. You can choose to be notified for all of these transactions or only for those that are over a specific dollar amount. Want to know instantly if a payment of over $500 hits your account? This is the alert for you. Security alerts, Regions automatically send some of these, like password change confirmations, but you can also manage others, like alerts for blocked transactions if you use the Regions Lock It feature. Now, here's the best part, choosing your delivery method. For each alert you turn on, you can choose to receive it via email, text message, SMS, or as a push notification right on your phone. We recommend using push notifications or text for the most immediate delivery. Make sure your phone number and email are up to date under your contact information. Once you've selected your alert type, set any necessary dollar amounts, and chosen your preferred delivery method, just hit save or confirm. That's it. You're now set up to get real-time updates on your finances, helping you monitor your accounts and stay financially savvy. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.